Alright, we're back again. I've made so many videos today. I might even make more, get my quota done early, make extra, it's kind of a cushion. Oh, YouTube is gonna be so congested. Well, then again, I doubt it. I mean, this one guy adds like 50 extra videos in one day. Anyway, alright, so we've either got Dust Storm or Heat Lightning. Well, Heat Lightning sounds absolutely disgusting as a dish, so we're gonna go Dust Storm. And we've just got 2 armors. We don't really need to change out the guns. Cannons. Anvala breaks through the clouds, a city high above the barren lowlands. Rare, lush greenery stands in the mist. The people here know what they have, and they guard it fiercely. Weapons bristle on the mountainsides. I head east into the dust storms. Well, not really sure if I got the voice right the whole time, but whatever. I can see you. Oh crap! I forgot to clean the junk off my screen. I don't even know what that is, and I don't eat near this thing. Oh wait, yes I do. I have some lights there. Okay, we need the Gatling gun. Or the other cannon. Just randomly fire! Don't target one specific one. That's too easy. Too hard, actually. You're all swarming around. It is actually very distracting. Die! This is a fly swatter, or a boomstick, you guys are ants, I don't know. Use whatever reference you want under Avengers. Ants, boot. I'm pointing. So basically, pirates of ants, and this Gatling gun is a boot. A boot? I've tried stepping on ants before, it doesn't work. They're strong. Oh good lord. Look at all this. Look at all the damage they've done. Go stick to the engines. You intentionally crippling me? I will destroy you! Okay, that's it. Cannon time. I am Cannon Man! Okay, well. Guys, have a bit more fun. Show me you have some souls here. I'm not Ginger, by the way. I'm brown hair, maybe? Oh, jeez, what is that? I can't see a thing. Oh, that's the engines. Oh, no! No! Crap. I can't even see what's happening. Oh, wait, it's the dust storm. Not the cargo, that's important! You can destroy everything else but that. Well, almost. You can destroy the engines, it's not the cargo. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay. Well, the engines are in terrible condition. This is wonderful. I'm trying to be positive in this situation. You guys just don't know it. Okay. Gotta keep the car. Oh my. Well, both the engines have gone critical. This is wonderful. Yeah, I got my gun. Where are you? Seriously, oh, there we go. Found you. Haha. Lol. Pretty sure there's one duster. Oh, jeez. Destroy the engine. Haha! Oh, wait, that was... Oh, no! Ah! We have a blimp. Is there another airship? Is there a pirate boss?
Okay, cargo bay. Right, rigging. Seems to be the most damaged thing ever. Okay, rigging. The actually starts to sound like you're saying a lot. Why do I have so many tabs? Please, I need some crew members. Lord. They shoot down my pirate. Guess I'll also gonna have to heal up a bit more food. This thing only carries enough food for one. The rest is stuff on the trade. Oh no, I was right! This is one of those moments where I didn't want to be right. Darn it. Why are guys always right when they don't want to be? Or is it just me? I find that I'm predominantly right a lot, and sometimes I just don't want to be. Oh, one of the engines is broken. That's delicious. I can't see. The dust is in the way. Oh. Jeez, Will. I may fall here. Or I might rise! Figure like that. I love being nonchalant about everything. It's just... Oh, no. No! Hit me right in the cargo bay. How can you repair this thing in this cargo bay? There we go. Okay. See, kids, this is why pirates happen. Religion. Or something, I don't know. Some lame excuse. Oh, it's probably got some of my delicious long hair in it. What was that? That was not a good color. Not a color for. Oh, jeez. Fire! I just now realized both of my engines are out, so I'm absolutely not moving. The cargo bay is damaged. One pirate boss. Well, you know, there is a lot more room in the cargo bay. I guess I could support some members. But too bad you can't have any in this game. Which I admit kind of sucks, but whatever. Yeah! Alright, let's repair everything. Why is stuff still exploding? Took care of the pirate boss.
Alright, let's do this, yeah!
I might do some online stuff. Could do some online footage, but it'd have to be on the weekends when I actually have decent internet. Oh, we're so armored. Doesn't even look like we're armored. We have 2/3 of the armor. Although, last campaign I went through, I was so awesome. I had 4 armor pieces. I don't know if it actually added effect or if it was just completely useless, but it was awesome. That'll keep him busy. No, it won't. I'm see. What? 6. What? Oh, right. The charger isn't plugged in. Crap. I'm gonna have to plug that in a minute. I forgot to plug the charger back in. Crap. We're running on empty. Don't you dare. Not yet. Got 4,000 meters to go. Good. I better make this quick. Okay, we good? We good? I think we're good. Ooh, sudden brightening. Okay, I think... Charging? Yeah, we're charging. Here we go. I could pause anytime I want. I could have paused during that. Alright, well I hate myself a little bit more. Yeah, this whole thing looks like it would just fall apart so easily. This guy is God. Or something. Whoever this guy deserves his legendary status. Oh yay! Alright. Ooh, a Tesla. Should I go with the Tesla or super cannons? Or super Gatlings? Decisions. Oh, they're pirate frigates. That's what the boss ones are. They're frigates. Whatever. Let's go Tesla. Just because. Teslas are cool. Okay, so... What was it gonna listen to you that I forgot? Let me think. I'm just gonna review over the video. Drink. There's something else. Oh, the charger's plugged in now, so I don't have to worry about that. I can't remember. I was gonna do something else. If I could hear what I was saying in the videos, because there has to be a player that can play the sound that I record on this that isn't YouTube. I can't remember. Sorry. I don't know, but alright, so that was Dust Storm. Cool. Dust Storm. I can't remember. Anyway, that was Dust Storm, and it was awesome. We're approaching the main island. It'll be awesome. Alright, Dust Storm. Next is Eye of the Storm, because, well, I'm hardcore and we have no other choice. Okay, well, peace. I'll try to remember what it was. Peace.